Hey Dollar Dreamers, welcome to this new video where we are gonna talk about how you can make money in your sleep literally. If you want to learn more about money and finances, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. 1. Definition and benefits of passive income. First, let's clarify what passive income is and why it's such a game changer. Passive income is a transformative concept that allows you to earn money effortlessly, with minimal ongoing effort required once the initial setup is complete. Active income, where you must constantly spend your time and effort for money. The actual strength of passive income is its capacity to create several cash streams that continue to operate for you even while you're not actively working. Think about waking up in the morning to discover that your bank account is a little bit bigger as a result of the money made while you were getting some much-needed beauty sleep. One of the most significant advantages of passive income is the freedom it affords. Instead of being tied to a traditional job or business, passive income empowers you to have more control over your time and lifestyle. It offers the potential to break free from the constraints of a 9-to-5 routine and provides opportunities for pursuing your passions, spending quality time with loved ones, or starting new businesses. Moreover, passive income contributes to financial security. By diversifying your income sources and creating streams of revenue that are not entirely dependent on your active involvement, you establish a safety net for yourself. This additional financial stability can help you weather unexpected circumstances, pursue your dreams, and create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. 2. Different passive income streams. Now that we have a clear understanding of passive income, let's discuss some of the most popular methods that enable individuals to earn money while they sleep. There are various methods you can explore, each with unique qualities and the ability to generate passive income. One prevalent method is investing in rental properties. By acquiring real estate properties and renting them out, you can generate a steady stream of rental income. Rental properties offer the advantage of long-term appreciation, tax benefits, and the potential for leveraging the property's value to grow your portfolio. Next, affiliate marketing is another effective method to make money while sleeping. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services through your online platforms or content, you can earn commissions on sales or referrals. The key to success in affiliate marketing lies in building a targeted audience, establishing trust, and strategically promoting relevant products. Additionally, royalties can be an easy source of passive income, particularly for creative individuals. By licensing your intellectual property, such as music, books, or artwork, you can earn royalties from the ongoing use or distribution of your work. This method allows you to monetize your creativity and potentially earn passive income for years to come. Each of these methods has its own advantages and considerations. It's essential to conduct thorough research, evaluate your resources and preferences, and determine which approach aligns best with your financial goals and lifestyle. By exploring these businesses, you can embark on a journey to create passive income streams that have the potential to generate wealth and financial freedom over time. Remember, diversification is key, and combining multiple methods can further enhance your passive income portfolio. So take the time to explore these opportunities and begin your journey towards making money while you sleep. 3. Pros and cons of each passive income method. Now let's take a closer look at these different methods and examine their pros and cons. Understanding the advantages and considerations of each passive income stream will help you make informed decisions about which one aligns best with your goals and circumstances. Before we continue, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. If you're finding the information helpful and enjoyable, make sure to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on money and finance tips. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that like button and subscribe now. Let's now examine these various approaches in further detail and carefully evaluate their advantages and disadvantages. You will be more capable of making decisions that are in line with your goals and unique situation if you have a complete understanding of the benefits and factors of each passive income stream. However, it's important to keep in mind that rental properties require an initial investment and ongoing management. You'll need to take into consideration factors such as property maintenance, customer management, and potential vacancies. With careful planning and property selection, rental properties can be a reliable source of passive income. Next, affiliate marketing is a popular choice for people who enjoy endorsing products or services they genuinely believe in. This method involves teaming up with companies and promoting their offerings through your online platforms. By doing so, you can earn commissions for every sale or referral made through your unique affiliate links. One of the great things about affiliate marketing is its flexibility and the potential for high earnings. You have the freedom to choose the products or services you want to promote, aligning them with your interests and audience preferences. This allows you to create a genuine connection with your audience and recommend products you truly believe in. However, it's important to understand that success in affiliate marketing requires effort and dedication. Building an audience and establishing trust are crucial elements. You need to consistently create valuable content that resonates with your audience, providing them with useful information and insights related to the products or services you're promoting. To maximize your earnings, you'll also need to employ effective marketing strategies. This includes utilizing various channels such as social media, email marketing, or blogging to reach and engage your target audience. Additionally, building strong relationships with your audience is essential. Engage with your followers, respond to their questions, and provide helpful recommendations to build trust and credibility. Remember, in affiliate marketing, your income is directly tied to the actions of your audience. The more engaged and receptive your audience is to your recommendations, the more opportunity there is to generate passive income through affiliate marketing. Lastly, royalties can be a rewarding passive income business for creative individuals. By licensing your intellectual property, such as music, books, or artwork, you can earn royalties from the ongoing use or distribution of your work. This method allows you to monetize your creativity and potentially earn passive income for years to come. However, the success of earning royalties depends on the popularity and demand for your creative works. It's important to consider factors such as marketing, copyright protection, and industry trends when pursuing this path. 4. Tips for getting started with passive income. Now that you have a general understanding of the various passive income methods, let's dive into some important tips to help you get started on your journey. The first tip is to conduct thorough research. Take the time to explore each method further, dig deeper into the details, and gain a comprehensive understanding of the requirements, benefits, and potential returns associated with each method. This research will empower you to make informed decisions and choose the methods that align best with your goals and circumstances. Once you have identified the passive income methods you want to pursue, it's crucial to set up systems. Building systems is the key to automation and scalability. Create processes and workflows that allow you to generate income with minimal effort. By implementing efficient systems, you can streamline your operations, save time, and free up your energy to focus on other aspects of your life or explore additional passive income opportunities. Another tip to consider is leveraging technology to your advantage. The digital age has provided us with an abundance of tools, platforms, and resources that can significantly enhance our passive income businesses. Take advantage of these technological advancements to automate tasks, reach a wider audience, and maximize your earning potential. Whether it's using social media platforms to promote your products or services, utilizing project management tools to streamline your workflow, or leveraging online marketplaces to reach customers globally, technology can be a game changer in your passive income journey. Remember to stay updated with the latest trends and developments in the digital space. The world of passive income is constantly evolving, and new opportunities may arise. Stay informed about emerging technologies, new platforms, and innovative strategies that can help your businesses generate passive income growth. By conducting thorough research, setting up systems, and leveraging technology, you can position yourself for success in the field of passive income. Keep in mind that building passive income streams requires time, effort, and dedication. It's essential to stay patient, continuously educate yourself, and adapt to changing market conditions. And there you have it, an introduction to the fascinating world of passive income. Now it's time for you to take action. Start exploring the passive income opportunities that resonate with you and take steps towards achieving financial freedom. Remember, this is just the beginning. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to more valuable insights and strategies to help you on your journey. Thank you for watching this video on making money while sleeping. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more money and finance tips in the future. As always, we appreciate your support and look forward to helping you achieve your financial goals. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.